Hello everyone and welcome. Now in this video I'm going to walk you through how to verify if a particular website is fake or scam. Now it is very crucial to be vigilant online. So here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you determine if a website is legitimate or a scam. The first thing you need to do is inspect the URL. HTTPS. Look for HTTPS:// at the beginning of the web address. The S indicates a secure connection, so it has to be HTTPS. However, even scam sites can have this, so it is not a sole indicator. Next, you need to check out for is misspellings or variations of well-known domain names. Scammers often use slightly altered URLs. Be wary of unusual domain extensions, e.g., .xyz or .ru if you're not familiar with them. A padlock icon next to the URL indicates a secure connection. Click on it to view the website security certificate. Next, you have to analyze the website content. Poor spelling and grammar are red flags. Legitimate websites typically have professional content. Professional design. You see, scam websites often have low quality designs, blurry images, and inconsistent layouts. Contact information. Check for a physical address, phone number, and email address. Legitimate businesses provide clear contact information. Verify the address using online maps. Look for a detailed About Us page that provides information about the company's history and mission. Privacy policy and terms of service. Legitimate websites have clear privacy policies and terms of service. Be wary of websites that lack this or have vague policies. Check for reviews and reputations. Online reviews. Search for reviews of the website or company on websites like Trustpilot, Sitejabber, or the Better Business Bureau, that is BBB. Check the company's presence on social media too, because legitimate businesses typically have active social media accounts. Simply search the website name on your favorite search engine. Oftentimes, if the website is a scam, there will be warnings that appear in the search results. Verify security and trust seals. Be cautious of trust seals, e.g., Norton Secured and McAfee Secure. Scammers can easily copy this. If a trust seal is present, click on it to verify its validity. Use website safety checkers. Google Transparency Report. Use Google Safe Browsing Site Status tool to check if a website is considered safe. You can also use Virus Total to analyze websites for malware and other security threats. There are many other website checker tools available online, so check and use them. Be wary of deals that are too good to be true. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. You see, scammers often use unrealistic offers to lure victims. Examine payment options. Be cautious for websites that only accept unusual payment methods such as wire transfers or cryptocurrency. Legitimate online retailers typically accept major credit cards and PayPal. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to online scams. And also by following these steps, you can verify if a website is legit.